5 benefits of ginger. 1. Helps treat nausea. Used historically as a natural remedy for seasickness and morning sickness. https://drakes.com/morning sickness. Ginger is perhaps most well known for its ability to treat nausea and vomiting. One review looked at the results of 12 studies comprised of 1,278 pregnant women and found that ginger was effective at decreasing symptoms of nausea with minimal risk of side effects. Plus, another study from the University of Rochester Medical Center showed that ginger helped reduce nausea severity in patients receiving chemotherapy. 2. Fights fungal infections. Fungal infections cause a wide variety of conditions, from yeast infections. https://drakes.com/vaginal yeast infection greater than to jock itch. https://drakes.com/jock itch and athlete's foot. Fortunately, ginger helps kill off disease-causing fungi due to its powerful antifungal properties. In one 2016 test tube study out of Iran, ginger extract was found to be effective against 2 types of yeast that commonly cause fungal infections in the mouth. Another test tube study in mycoses measured the antifungal effects of 29 plant species and found that ginger was the most effective at killing off fungus. 3. Protects against stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers are painful sores that form in the lining of the stomach and cause symptoms like indigestion, fatigue, heartburn and abdominal discomfort. Several studies have found that ginger could help prevent the formation of stomach ulcers. https://drakes.com/stomach ulcer. In fact, one 2011 animal study showed that ginger powder protected against aspirin-induced stomach ulcers by decreasing levels of inflammatory proteins and blocking the activity of enzymes related to ulcer development. 4. Eases menstrual pains. Unfortunately, adverse side effects like pain, period cramps. https://drakes.com/how to get rid of period cramps, dysmenorrhea, and headaches are commonly associated with menstruation for many women. While some turn to over-the-counter medications to provide symptom relief, natural remedies like ginger can be just as useful at easing menstrual pain. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that ginger reduces menstrual pain as effectively as medications like ibuprofen and mefenamic acid. Another study in 2009 had similar findings, reporting that ginger reduces both the intensity and duration of pain. 5. May inhibit cancer growth. One of the most impressive benefits of ginger is its anti-cancer properties, thanks to the presence of a powerful compound called 6-gingerol. Test tube studies show that ginger and its components may be effective in blocking cancer cell growth and development for ovarian, pancreatic and prostate cancer. However, more research is needed to determine how the properties of ginger inhibits cancer and how it may translate to humans.